Hello again, it's Noob, and well, this is just an unpacking video. I got a parcel here from community member. A lot of you will know RubberBanned, and he sent this through to me. It does contain some stuff for a mutual friend of ours, Yukov from the UK Locksport forum. I will have to remind myself as to which bits are which, but nevertheless, we'll have a go. And since Yukov's not here, and you know he might have watched this video, I guess I can just take what I fancy, right? Right? No, probably not. Okay, here we go. Ah, okay. Well, that's one way to open it up. I suppose this is a nice little way to do it anyway. Just open the little flap. Okay, so I know one of the things in here is going to be that's nice. So a little pot of shims and springs and things. Shims and springs and things. They're quite nice shims, actually, aren't they? Yeah, they're whoever made those shims, they've done it to a nice quality. I wonder if they're like Suba or something like that. Nice serrated pins as well. Look at that. Really nice serrations on those. I don't know what pinning system these are from. The springs are short, so it looks like they're from a kick cylinder of some kind, a key and knob. Right, anyway, that's an aside. What else do we have? This one is for me. I know that because I recognise one of the locks. I'll just see what's in it anyway, and I can divvy up what everything is anyway. So, a load of blanks. Y11, or is that a Yale blank? Could be. We'll have a look at these locks in a second. Oh, that is cool. A Supra C, an older Supra, combination dial lock. I don't know if these are decodable. I don't know. What's in here? What's this one? What's this one? What's this one? That's a nice Corbin, isn't it? In fact, I think this is one of those Corbins with a master ring. So it's not master wafers, it's actually got master ring inside. And I think Bosnian Bill did a really good video on that. And looking down there, it looks like there's a ball bearing on the tip of one of the pins, which I think some of these had as well. Very cool. Find one of the keys that works. So that one works, and that one. It does work. It's just a bit a notchy, which can happen. So there are two different bittings there, and they both work. So this is a master ringed Corbin, as far as I can tell. Very cool lock, actually. Very, very cool, and I think quite rare as well. But master ring Corbins, awesome. What else do we have? Aha! A broken piece of M Hart lock, but there is a story behind this. Hex key. I know what this is. Right, so this is an impressioning grip handle, which obviously takes some kind of... I'm going to do a review on this, so I won't get it out of the bag and spoil the surprise. But this was made by RubberBanned. I think he might be selling them on his Hooligan Keys website. At some point, maybe not now, I don't know, but soon, I hope. And he sent me one of these to have a go on, so I'll have a go and I'll do a review, and that might be what these blanks are for as well, so that's really nice. But yeah, that'll save for a review. Something in a packlock bag. Awesome! A Hooligan Keys a branded packlock, I think. Colour green, yeah. So it looks like a packlock 200A, I think. That's what I'm going with. The keys don't have packlock branding on, but that's RubberBand's website, Hooligan Keys. There you go. Awesome. Do love a packlock. I wonder what the core is on this, whether it's a standard one, which is pretty good, or the Pro, which is even better. I don't know. What else do we have in here? Oh, just make sure there's there was an address on there, so I might have to edit that bit out if I've caught it on camera. And there are a few bits in here which I think are for... Yes, I think all of these are for our friend Yukov, but one of these is so cool. Ah, and there's the other, yes, there's the other part. So this here is a half cylinder of, well, as you all know, a rare locking pin, Corbin M Heart, and there it is. And that there is the key, and I believe that these are new keys for it, which is so cool. I'm going to try them. Works perfectly. Beautiful work, whoever cut these. I'm assuming RubberBanned himself. But yeah, absolutely lovely. And these are so rare. I was very lucky, actually. I sent one as a gift by Lockpicking's gal, which, you know, it remains in my special shelf for locks because it's so cool. But I love these M Hearts. And look at this old round-bodied American 600. That's very cool. So I'll pop that back in there. I think this is all for Yukov. So I shall put all of those in there. Anything that comes with it. That is so cool. Oh, wow! What a little. Oh, we didn't see what's inside of this, did we? Aha! It is the core to the American lock. So I shall pop that back in there. See the small little pins and stuff. I'll pop that back in there. There we go. Oh. With that spring as well. And fold that up like that. And might even put it in a bag so nothing escapes from it. Cool. Well, that's really awesome. Thank you so much, RubberBanned, for sending me all this stuff. Oh, why am I saying bye? I haven't even looked in these awesome locks here in a package. Right, one of these is really cool. Very excited about this one. Aha, see, this is why you've got to put everything in a little bag, haven't you? Because it's already escaping. So in you go, and I'm going to zip you up now. There you go. Yeah, I bet you were screaming at the monster just then, going, "Why hasn't he opened the box?" So this is, I believe, a Chinese wise lock phone. Could be Chinese or Japanese, I don't know. And isn't that cool? So if I go pushing this in, it's got like concentric rings inside there, and the key engages and pushes them in, I think. Got to get it right. Yeah, isn't that just so cool? Clone or not, it's awesome and I love it. In fact, I'd say because it's got in such a cool box, I kind of like it just as much as if it was an original wise lock. If not, maybe slightly more. This is a cute little cylinder. What's this? I can't get in. There we go. A little cam. It's a Yale. Oh, just a Yale and Town. So it's an old. It is old. A Yale and Town wafer cam lock, I think. Very nice. I don't know much about that, but no doubt I will at some point. A couple of tension tools. Never hurts. Nice and thick, these ones as well. Very thick. Those actually might be very useful. You've seen how thick the ends of those are. They look about 1 and 1.2 mils actually by eye. I actually have my calipers to hand, so we'll have a look at that. So that's I'll do it here so it's a bit easier to do. Okay, so that's a 1.1, 1.14, and then this one's even thicker, I think. No, they're both 1.1. Why does one look thicker? Yeah, 1.12, and then this one is, I thought one was thicker than that. No, they're the same, but 1.1, 1.2. Very good. It's nice to have thick tension tools. I've not seen these ones before either. Where were we? Oh yeah. Just a little padlock. Very cute. National Lock Rockford, USA. Don't know about National Lock. What kind of core is this? Standard. It's a pin tumbler. Pin tumbler. Don't know that one. Very cool. And last but by no means least, an awesome looking little Corbin. Ah, that's very cute. All brass Corbin pin tumbler desk lock. It looks like, I think, or something. Whatever it is that it retains, obviously, via that's at the side. So whatever it is, it's probably, I'd say a drawer lock. Would you say a drawer lock? I think so. Then that retracts to allow whatever it is you've locked to slide in and out. I really like that. That's a really awesome little lock. There we go. So I have actually looked at everything. I don't know if there's anything in here. So is it anti-clockwise a few times, and then it's something like forwards and then past, 2, and then oh, got it right. Oh, just want to check there's nothing in it, but the code did work. There you go. Right, I think it's the third time I tried to end this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you to RubberBanned for sending me all these goodies. I can't wait to have a look at the impressioning handle. So much fun there. I don't know how to decode one of these. Even if you could decode one of these, maybe you can, maybe you can't. I don't know, but it's definitely something I'm going to explore in the future as well. I'll pass on all the things I need to our friend Yukov, and I'll see all of you next time.